in ClickUp, and essentially it's organized into spaces. I don't really use the getting things done space. I've tried it as Zettelkasten space. I've moved into Obsidian, so I'm not going to go over that today. I am going to focus on my crafting business. I do have my teacher business in here as well, so that's why I have a shared business folder for that. And here's how I run my crafting business. I've got a link to my analytics, which I'm still behind on anyways, but I have the link to that. And this is just like a web page view. If I want to edit it, I have to click on the link and it'll open in Google Drive. And to do that, you just go to View, Embed, and then you can embed the URL for that document, because I've done the same for my business manual. And that's got everything I need in here on my business, how I set up my different steps to do my different tasks, how long each task takes, the symbols for the tasks, and operating procedures on how I make, upload, and have all the steps for all of that. Some of it is still not updated yet, but it's a work in progress. And I also want to eventually get video walkthroughs on all the steps, so that way if I hire anybody, it's all ready to go in ClickUp. And here is just a list of items that would be due this month, since there's only a couple days left in the year. I don't have anything due besides the last 2 videos of 2022 and the 12 days of Christmas, which is super exciting because the next one will be my 100th video. This is a Lucid chart, which it doesn't have a preview, but I click there and I open it. So going through, actually, hold on. Okay. Something I did want to note on my shared folder is that I have a list of all my favorite products and when I can share them, a photo for them, and the affiliate links, and then why I would be using it, and then what business utilizes it. And all of my sponsors for my businesses are also in here. Anyway, so you can see all of my lists for all my affiliates that I can just throw in or share on the go. All right, I also have my free songs, my free videos, and my stock images that I use throughout my business. So if you've heard of Airtable, this is kind of similar to Airtable, but I like it a lot better. I feel like the digital aspect is better as far as like being able to jump from my phone to my computer to web-based a lot easier. Whereas Airtable, I felt like it was just on my computer all the time. Anyways, so I also list all my free songs, my stock images, and then which videos are related to those items. Now jumping into my crafty part, I do have on my main page access to some documents. And this includes all about my business. So an overview of my brand, which I'm actually updating, and then all the important links that would be included in my business. So if anytime I need to share out a Google review, that link is there. Anytime I need to jump into design bundles or Facebook or whatever, any dashboard that I manage my business from online, these are all here. I also have a template for my YouTube description, template for my products. So depending on what kind of product is in that listing, then that's where I pull that information. I have a brain dump of ongoing things, and then any of my online courses that I put online. So that's kind of like all about my business. And then I also have my pillars in here. So this is just like the content. So I had digital designs, paper, shirts, and videos, and then they're subdivided out, and then each one has a tag, so that way I can go into my main search and I can search for that tag. The hub history I don't really use a lot for this part of the business. I use it for my teaching business. Essentially, you would have a list of the years that you did stuff, the months that you listed, and then what you posted in that month. And obviously I haven't been doing that. The one I have been doing is the inventory and the videos. So those are both fairly up to date. I have lists going on here on items that I need to learn more about before I create, things that are in progress, things that I need to fix, update, or repurpose, and then ones that are completed, which I'm missing some because we should have like 99 right here instead of 67. So I need to go back and work on that. I also have a blog inventory, a lead magnet inventory. I was trying to track my email campaigns, but I have MailChimp for that, which I'm moving over to MailerLite, but that has all the information in there. I also have my songs that I make and my books that are in there. So anytime I need something, it is right here, ready to go. The cool thing about ClickUp is that it also ties together. So let me pull up one that we've got. Okay, so February 2022, I did a Tuesday tea. So when you click on the task, this is what it looks like. I put the cover image here and pin it, and then it's got my business, the date I published it, my link to the YouTube, related photos that go with it, the playlist that I saved it to on YouTube, when I should be sharing it, and what type of content it is. Then down here, I've got, oh look, my affiliate to CSDS, that's linked in there. It also has the song that I used in there, linked in there. It has, what is this? Oh, the blog. So up here, blog inventory, and that has all the blog information. And then it also has my shirts in bulk affiliate. So for one video, I've got all of this related stuff. It's listed and ready to go. It's awesome. So anytime I need to go back and see, oh, what did I use for CSDS final? Then I can click on it and go. And then, so if you jump over to that affiliate link, it's going to show you all of the related blogs, videos, content on CSDS final. I'm going to add a relationship. Here we go. So now I've got the Tuesday tea video and the blog both linked to my affiliate. I just started this over the summer. See how I've got AFF, that's affiliate. This one should technically be VID, video. And then this one should be BLG for blog. And now when I'm looking through, I'm like, oh, okay, I know exactly. Blog, affiliate, video. It's my business in a nutshell. Yeah. I hope it was helpful. Maybe it gave you some ideas on how you can manage your business next year. It's not 100% done or perfect. It is a work in progress every single day. And I still need to use other programs like Google Drive and Obsidian for other parts of my business. All right, stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be super awesome, celebrating a milestone.